If you're running Facebook or Instagram ads for leads, Meta just dropped a bunch of updates that make life a whole lot easier. Some of them will increase volume, others will improve quality, and a few are absolute game changers. So if you're sick of chasing terrible leads that don't answer the phone, stick with me. I'll run through them quickly and show you exactly how to use them and explain which ones will really change the game. This video is sponsored by Go High Level, which will improve your lead conversion better than any other platform that we have found out there, but more about that later. So here's the thing. Meta's algorithm doesn't really care about your lead quality. Its job is just to get you leads, full stop. Now, every time someone submits themselves as a lead, the algorithm takes note of who that person is, what their online behavior is like, then tries to find similar people. So if you start attracting idiots with your lead generation, the algorithm may simply start trying to find you more and more idiots. And here lies the problem. That's why these new features are so important, because they give us tools to filter, improve lead quality, and actually make those leads worth calling. So the first big feature is, one of the biggest debates has always been with lead gen, should you send people to your website or keep them inside Facebook and use instant forms? Now, website leads are usually high quality, but forms get you more volume, and traditionally we always have to split test both approaches separately to determine what works best. Now you don't have to choose. Meta will optimize for both inside the same ad set, sending people down whichever path they're more likely to complete. Now, it's an easy switch and one you should test straight away. So quite simply, this is where it is. So if you jump in and you're at the campaign level here, you come down to the ad set level, and where you can see conversion location here, all you're gonna do is optimize for website and instant forms. And what that will allow it to do is it might think, Darren, my video guy here, he prefers to submit himself as a lead via instant forms, whereas me, Jamie, prefers to go to a website, watch a video, and then convert later down the line. So it will keep Darren on the Facebook platform, and it will send me to the website, which will maximize your amount of lead generation. Next up is SMS verification on instant forms. But before I explain this, you need to understand the concept of friction in lead generation. Friction is just how easy or hard you make it for somebody to leave their details. The less friction you have, the easier it is for someone to leave their details, so the more leads you will get, but they'll usually be lower quality. More friction, like SMS verification for example, or extra form fields, equals fewer leads, but higher quality. Our advice is always to start with a lower friction and then add more friction if you need to improve that lead quality. The right balance depends on lead quality problems that you are facing. So SMS verification is a big one for lead quality. When somebody fills in a form, they'll now get a one-time passcode to verify their phone number before submitting. It's exactly like when you shop online and have to enter a code. This simple step cuts out junk and forces people to use a real phone number, which means fewer bots, fewer fakes, and more serious people to speak to. Yes, your lead quality will go up, but the quality is usually worth it. To do that, quite simply, come in here and select to create a new form within the add section and select for a higher intent form and just click this box here. And you can see that's opened up another section over here, and this is what they're going to see. They're going to enter their phone number, they're going to get a code, submit it, and then they can move on. So you get real phone numbers so you can make phone calls and you get more considered leads to speak to. Another tweak inside instant forms is the option to switch off autofill. Normally, Meta will automatically pull in a lead's email address, name, and phone number linked to their account. The problem with that is it's just too easy, and within a couple of clicks, someone has often submitted themselves as a lead. The problem is half the time those details are incorrect, or the person doesn't even remember submitting because it took them just 2 clicks. They didn't have any time to think. By turning off autofill, you make them slow down, consider whether to submit themselves as a lead, and physically type in their details, which means they're more accurate and much more likely to pick up the phone on the number they want you to call on when you call. Now, the next one is pretty clever. Meta can now adjust your forms automatically based on what people are most likely to respond to. So some users will see a quick short form, while others might see a more detail or a welcome message. It adapts to the person. And now, instead of you trying to guess what works for everyone, unless you're in a tightly regulated industry where you have to ask the same questions every time, I'd test leaving this switched on. Now, it can be a real sweet spot between quality and volume, but if quality is often too low, then you may need to switch it off later. Now, here's a feature I really like. As soon as someone submits a form, Meta can open up a chat thread with your business on Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp if they've agreed to messages. That means instead of waiting for a call or an email, you can instantly start a conversation. Now, speed is everything with lead gen. And this feature puts you right where your leads already are. Just make sure that you've got someone or even a bot ready to handle those chats. Now, you cannot leave them hanging. This is one of the reasons why we love Go High Level, because it has a built-in AI chat function that can nurture leads whilst your team isn't available to chat in the evenings, weekends, nights, etc. Go High Level is our recommended platform simply because it does almost everything that you need all in one place. Plus, it's inexpensive. There are other platforms like HubSpot, which are fantastic, but they can be more expensive. Now, Go High Level means that your meta leads can squirt directly into your CRM and you can automatically send them emails and text messages. Now, you can also build great landing pages, have data collection forms, send text messages, open chat communications, everything that you need to nurture your meta leads once they submit their details. And you can also manage your funnels and pipelines within that. So if you sign up with the code below, you'll get a 30-day free trial instead of the normal 14, which should give you enough time to get a feel for things, because 14 days just really isn't a lot. So here's how I put this into practice. Start by testing website and instant forms together. Then switch off autofill for a quick quality bump. If you're still getting too many junk leads, add SMS verification, keep flexible delivery on, and if you can reply fast, try out the auto chat or WhatsApp features. Now, if you can't reply fast, try using Go High Level auto responding software. They can transform your speed to contact. The key thing to remember is that Meta's job is to find leads, not good ones. It's up to you to use these features to train it, filter out the junk, and put a proper follow-up process in place. So this video is sponsored by Go High Level. If you don't already have a CRM hooked into Meta, you're leaving money on the table. Go High Level pulls leads straight into pipelines, triggers instant emails and text, and makes follow-up automatic. We use it because it's all in one, like HubSpot, but way cheaper. Use the link below for an extended trial. So if this video helped, hit like, subscribe, drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.